Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. I am back here with another video, and in this video, I'm gonna show you something that is totally insane and has blown my mind and will surely gonna yours. Uh, I will show you something like a video which will completely clarifying your issues or confusion regarding GPT-3. It's a disrupt. In my opinion, it's the most one of the most disruptive technology in the last decade. I believe because I consider it the most amazing being the most worst technology as well, because it's the most amazing for most of the people, but as well as it's the most worst ever technology being introduced for most of the people as well. How? Because it has if it comes in the market, it will surely gonna be in near future with some improvements as well. It will definitely gonna disturb the market for web programmers, web developers, and application developers for sure. And it is really amazing and advantageous for the people who are gonna learn computer science, who are gonna into it and gonna make their career in it in future. So let's not take it so long. सो भाई इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि वो टेक्नोलॉजी जो मेरी नज़र में इस डिकेड में सबसे ज़्यादा तौर पे आप कह सकते हैं कि एक ज़बरदस्त किस्म का इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट करने आ रही है। इसका एक वर्जन पहले भी आया है GPT-2 के नाम से, लेकिन वो एक हिंट थी कि ये क्या चीज़ हो सकती है। लेकिन इस वर्जन में ये तकरीबन सबको आउट क्लास कर चुका है अभी इस वक्त, और बहुत सारी वीकनेसेस को ख़त्म कर दिया है। पहले इन्होंने सिर्फ 50 मिलियन पे काम किया था, नाउ 75 अप्रॉक्स 75 मिलियन पे ये लोग इन्होंने डाटा को उसमें यूज़ किया है, जिसकी वजह से ये एआई के ज़रिए जो है एक ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी लेके आ चुके हैं जिसमें तमाम, या मैं कहूँ कि ये गलत नहीं होगा कि मोस्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्रामर्स का जो करियर है वो तकरीबन फिनिश हो जाएगा फ्यूचर में, नियर फ्यूचर में, जहाँ हमें लग रहा है 10 साल शायद में 5 साल में ख़त्म होने को आएगा। अगर इसमें मज़ीद इम्प्रूवमेंट्स ना आई, जो कि ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, तो फिर शायद ये ऐसा ना हो, बट ये मेरा ओपिनियन है। लेकिन अगर इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आई तो बहुत कुछ उसमें ये तबाही क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट्स अ डिस्ट्रप्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी इन द लास्ट डिकेड। या सो हियर वी गो। Yeah, look, here's a generator which will show you what it does. Look at this carefully. In this generator, has written the Google logo, a search box, two light gray. It's just like you are ordering something, and it will generate in front of you. Yes, it will generate these stuffs in front of you within a second, within a millisecond, and you will gonna be insane like me. Yeah, so go ahead. So here it is. Isn't it insane? Yeah, it is totally insane. Yeah, यार ये इस समझ से बाहर है ये चीज़ क्या कर रही है। अगर इसका किसी को अभी भी अंदाज़ा नहीं हो रहा तो यार गेट अ लाइफ ब्रो। It is totally insane. It is gonna disrupt everything, because it is we are just typing our requirements, our programming requirements in English sentences, and it is converting into the HTML code, pure HTML code, and it can convert it into any language for sure, and just forming the thing which took few minutes, a few hours to be made. It is taking just few seconds, and just has made something like Google logo, and created also the search box, and it will we can customize it also, like here we're gonna do. This is insane, this is insane, totally insane. No, 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 don't do this. Yeah, like this, it's totally insane, isn't it? It is. So ये वीडियो में आपने देख के अंदाजा लगा लिया होगा जीपीटी किस तरीके की टेक्नोलॉजी है, जो कि तमाम प्रोग्रामर्स और जो भी स्क्रिप्टिंग लैंग्वेज पे भी काम करते हैं अगर, तो उनके लिए भी करियर्स के लिए बहुत बड़ा एक अलार्मिंग सिचुएशन है कि उनको अब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, कुछ कुछ हट के करना पड़ेगा, जो कि उन्होंने अब तक नहीं किया। क्योंकि ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी है ये मार्केट में आने लगी है और ये फ्यूचर में और इम्प्रूव हो जाएगी, और ये इम्प्रूव होते के साथ साथ ये तकरीबन सबको साफ करती चली जाएगी। It's a technology which is most demanded technology. The AI, one of the best use of AI in the near time. I believe, I truly believe that it's one of the most use of the AI, because it's gonna surely affect most of the programmers as well. But it's gonna be highly important in saving the time for the different kind of programmers and different kind of people who are into the programming or who are new. It will gonna just get them the side that is really like it will gonna be really easy, pretty much easy for them, I must say. Because before this, every programmer just need to learn the language and type code, and this is just creating it totally opposite, and just disrupting everything, because it just take the English sentences and then convert it into the HTML code or whatever it is, and then generate the things, the pages, web pages, and anything what you want. It is consists of 75 billion data set being involved in it, being stored in it. Earlier GPT-2 contains 50 billion data set, and that's approximate value for sure, and it's gonna improve for sure, and that's totally insane. So this was the video to get you the better side of the GPT-3, and I hope you all got it. So please like the video, share it as well with your friends, with IT experts and different people as well, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.